What's up, people? That's right, I'm back with another audio test. I'm still trying to work out the kinks for a mobile vlogging station, you know, something for the vehicle. And I tried everything, you know. I bought the GoPro Hero 7, which you're not listening to me on. I've had the 4, and now I've got the 5. The Hero Black 5 back in its position where it was before, and I'll explain why in a second. I want to show you. I had originally bought the audio adapter and bought this little directional mic, this little thing with the little tiny dead cat on top of it. Okay. Oh, what the dang it. You ain't gonna believe this, but I just drove away without getting my gas. What the I just paid $20 and drove away without getting the gas that I paid for. Well, anyway, so I'm testing this out a little bit, trying to, you know, get the audio back. What the hell am I thinking today? Jesus. I get distracted trying to do these updates, and I literally just drove out of the gas station without getting my gas. These guys are probably going to think I'm insane because they just saw me. They're going to laugh their ass off. All right. Let me get my gas real fast, and I'll be right back. All right. Let's try this again, people. What the hell am I doing today? Get my freaking head up my ass. All right. So where were we? So I've got the GoPro Hero 5 Black back up in the mount, and I have a new microphone attached. I have the Rode mic.
Degrees. We're going with 40.
It's a the Rode Micro, or whatever, Go Micro, whatever the hell this says. And I want to do an audio test to see if it makes a difference, because as of right now, this was the old mic, as I just showed you, this little directional mic with this dead cat on it. But when you see the size of the dead cat on there now, it's huge. So you got this one, it's about this big, right? All right, and then the other one is literally about this big. I mean, so it is what it is, but I got to try to figure out a better audio solution for you guys and girls. So let me know what you think. Let me know how this comes out. This is a short little update. If this audio sounds better. I'm in Pro Tune. I've got the audio turned down to medium, trying to eliminate a lot of the background noise. The time will tell. As soon as I get home to edit this, I'll know how it sounds, etc. With the, you know, the exhaust, the engine, all the noise and shit that's going on in here. All right, that's all I got, people. I'll talk to you all later. I'm out.